Is your Toshiba Smart TV refusing to connect to Wi-Fi? Don't worry, you're not alone. Thousands of Toshiba TV owners face this frustrating issue every single day. Maybe your TV was working fine yesterday, but today it just won't connect to your home network. Or maybe it keeps disconnecting randomly, showing errors like unable to connect or network not found. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before we start troubleshooting the TV, let's make sure the problem isn't your internet itself. A lot of times, the issue is actually with your Wi-Fi router or modem. Here's what to do. Grab your smartphone or laptop and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network your TV uses. Try opening a website or YouTube video. If other devices are also struggling to connect, then the issue is definitely with your internet connection, not the TV. In this case, simply restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug it from power, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Give it a minute or two to fully reboot. This quick reset often clears hidden glitches in your network. Once your Wi-Fi is working normally on your phone or laptop, go back to your Toshiba TV and try connecting again. If your internet is fine on other devices, but your Toshiba TV still won't connect, don't worry. Let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Restart your Toshiba TV. Sometimes, the problem is not with the Wi-Fi, but with the TV itself. Like any smart device, Toshiba TVs can develop temporary software glitches that prevent them from connecting properly. Here's how to do a proper restart. Turn off your Toshiba TV using the remote or power button. Unplug it from the wall socket completely. Leave it unplugged for about 1 full minute. Then plug it back in and turn it on again. This is more than just turning the TV off. It performs a soft reset by draining any leftover power in the TV's circuits. This clears out minor bugs and refreshes the system. After your TV reboots, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. In many cases, this alone solves the issue. Step 3. Forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. If restarting didn't help, the next thing we'll try is removing your saved Wi-Fi network and reconnecting from scratch. Sometimes, your TV may be trying to connect using outdated or incorrect settings, especially if you recently changed your Wi-Fi password or router settings. Here's how to do it. On your Toshiba TV remote, press the Home button and go to Settings. Navigate to Network Settings. Select your Wi-Fi network. This step alone fixes the majority of Wi-Fi problems because it forces the TV to make a completely fresh connection. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, share it with others who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick fixes and smart TV tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.